check it out. This year we got all this holiday kit ready for you. So the ones here, that's a Beauty Journey holiday kit. And we have some DMK holiday kit, one for acne and this one for your home enzyme treatment. Okay, what is a home enzyme treatment? We have here is the foaming lip mask and the exodermal peel. That's a home enzyme treatment. And then on this kit, they including the deep pore cleanser and herb and mineral mist and the CBD oil and the brush and the headband and the bow. So look at this gorgeous, beautiful gift set. So you can give to someone you love or yourself or your family member during this holiday. And for pricing, just give us a call at 714-726-0504. You can check out our Instagram page and Facebook page as well for our address. Okay, look forward to see you soon. Bye for now.